Hi, this is Bad. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Sui on Mac. So first of all, before installing Sui, you have to make sure you have Homebrew installed. That's brew, because you need to use brew to install Sui. So head back to brew.sh, then come over here, copy this command, then head back to the terminal and paste it. But for me, I already have it installed, so I'm not going to do it again. So after that, after installing Homebrew, it's going to take some minutes depending on your internet connection. After doing that, to check if it's installed, you can just type brew help. So if you see something like this, it means it's successfully installed from brew. So after that, things are coming up. So after that, I will go back to documentation and LYC documentation and just copy this command brew install Sui. So if I come back to my terminal again and use that, click on enter. So let's wait for a moment. So we successfully installed Sui. So to check if Sui installed, first thing I type Sui help. And right now, we already have Sui installed in our local PC. So after that, we see it needs to install some extensions in our VSCode. So let me head over to VSCode. So we have VSCode opened. Let me head over to extensions tab. So the first extension we have to install is Move. So let me come here and search for Move. So you see this first extension and I'll click on install. Secondly, I have to install Move syntax also. Also, I have to install Move Meta by Listing Labs. I also have to install the Move Analyzer. So I'll install that. And also, I have to install this extension called Sui Move. Sui Move. So this is it. I also install this extension, and also I have to install this extension called Even Beta Turbo. So Even Beta Turbo. So that's it. If you done this extension, and this is how to install Sui on your Mac. So after this, you can proceed to this tutorial to show how to start the first Mac contact. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section, or feel free to DM me. My social media handles will be in the description below. And thank you very much. See you in the next video.